We have spoken about this before on our channel. If you are in a marriage and you're unhappy, please try to resolve it before going to see your lawyer. The reason why is because if you go to your lawyer with the marriage problem, guess what? It's going to become very expensive and complicated. The best way to resolve your matter is to get something called an uncontested divorce, which means that you and your spouse talk about the issues, try and resolve them, and then finalize the divorce through a settlement agreement. How do you do this? Sit down with your spouse and have an honest and frank discussion. Hey, this is not working out. Here's what I propose that we do with the assets. Here's what I propose we do with the children. What's your view? Drop something in paper and then go and see your lawyer and say, listen, I've got my spouse with me. We've agreed to get an uncontested divorce. How much is it going to cost us? Get a fixed cost. And then from there, you are in a much more empowered state than all of a sudden rushing to your lawyer's office and saying, I want a divorce. I want to take that person to the cleaners. In the end, you suffer financially and emotionally.